Greetings and welcome to our online Math 60 course. I wanted to take a few moments to run over the layout of the course to hopefully ease you into the course as quickly as possible so that you can begin working on the content as opposed to trying to figure out where things actually are. One of the most important things to be able to find is the main navigation bar just below our course title. This main navigation bar contains links to every important aspect of the course. Working our way left to right through the navigation bar, we'll quickly review what each of these links will do. The first link that we come to is Scott's Virtual Office. If you click on this link, it will open up a second window that is a login page for my virtual office. I hold weekly online office hours in this virtual office, and I'm also available for appointments outside of my regular office hours. Please contact me by email if you'd like to make an outside appointment. To the right of the virtual office link is our course homepage link. Clicking on this will always bring you back to the main course homepage. The most important things to be aware of on the course homepage are the announcements. Almost every week I will post an announcement of important information relevant to that week's material. Each time you log into the course, you should definitely quickly scroll through the homepage just to see if there's any new information that you have not yet seen. To the right of the course home link is the content link. If you click on this, you'll have access to the table of contents for our course. Our course content and assignments are broken down into modules. Each week we will have a new module, though the module will not necessarily start on Sunday or Monday. On the left side of the page are the links for each of the individual modules. If you pick a particular module and click on that, it will then open up on the right side all of the pages and assignments related to that particular module. You might notice a number in a box next to the name for that module. That represents how many pages or items you have yet to complete for that particular module. When you've completed a module, the box will then become a check mark. To the right of the content link is the WebWork link. WebWork is the online homework system we will be using for some of our assignments each week. Once you click on the WebWork link, it'll open up a page down below that has all the assignments on the WebWork server. You will complete problems over on the WebWork server. Your work and scores will be recorded on the WebWork server. At the end of each module, I will then copy the scores from WebWork over into D2L. It is important to note that because WebWork is a separate system from the D2L system, the scores will not automatically appear in your D2L grades. That will happen at the end of each module once I have copied the scores over. To the right of the WebWork link is the discussions link. The discussions are broken into two different categories. There are the general discussions and there are the module discussions. The general discussions are typically discussions that are open during the entire term. There's an open Q&A area where you can post questions from anything related to the course. There's areas to post questions related to the specific exams, midterm 1, 2, or the final. And then down below there's the module discussions. For each module, you will have to post a completed WebWork question with full solutions as a discussion posting. There's a link to sign up which question from WebWork you are choosing to do. Your original post for your module discussion must be made by Thursday at 11 p.m. for any credit for that week, but you will be able to edit and revise your posting until the following Tuesday at 11 p.m. To the right of the discussions link is the assignments link. In addition to having the WebWork questions, where you post answers and WebWork grades you correct or incorrect and gives you some basic feedback, you also have a written assignment every week. We call these the worksheets. The module worksheets will need to be downloaded and printed, completed by hand, and then scanned and uploaded back to the appropriate worksheet folder. You will have one worksheet per module to complete. And then to the right of the assignments link is the grades link. This is where you will be able to view your grades at any point during the term. Your actual scores from different assignments will be posted here as soon as they're graded. You will also have at the top of the page your current course standing. And finally, to the right of that, you have the class list link. You can use the class list to email anybody in class, students or me, the instructor. You want to be sure when you email people that the subject of your email includes both the class and the CRN, so people know this is related to this particular course, and then a subject that actually gives people an indication what the message is going to be about. So that's the basic layout of the course. You'll want to jump in and start looking around. The sooner you start investigating the different areas, the assignments or the content areas, or other places going to the virtual office, the more comfortable you will become with the course. And the sooner you become comfortable with the course layout, the sooner you'll be able to start the content and start completing some assignments. I hope you have a wonderful term, and please do not ever hesitate to contact me if you have questions about anything related to our class.